Hi, I'm Adam John Richardson. Let's work through reading from and writing to files using basic Python within a Google Colaboratory notebook. First things first, let's get to a new notebook. You could click here. I've already got one open though. And I'm going to head over to Table of Contents in the upper left, and I'm going to select Files. I want to see the Files interface. Google has done some great work to make it very easy to work with files using Python code. I'm going to copy and paste in some Python to save some time. Essentially, it's just reading, opening a file handle, and we're going to write to that file some basic text. Read me. So I'm going to hit Shift-Enter to execute that. And if I look over here in the left column, let's wait a sec, I'll refresh just to speed this up. Ta-da! Look at readme.txt. No problem, it's super easy. Let's say I want to read from that same sort of scenario. Again, let's use some basic Python. And I will execute this. All that's doing is, again, getting a file handle, f, and we're just going to print out the result of f.read. It worked! This is very easy. It's very convenient. Now, let's say that you want to actually access files that are up in your Google Drive. Google's also worked hard to make that very easy too. We can mount our drive. We can give permission, connect to this Google Drive. And I'm going to, yes, continue. And let's see what happens here. All right, I'm going to refresh. There we go. We now see our drive. If I try and perform some of these operations, reading and writing now, I'm going to actually paste this in. Now, I'd have to just speak to the location. In this case, you see the way that it's mounted in terms of its path. I can't just say I can't just say readme.txt. I have to actually tell it where it would be. Well, inside Drive, I can actually say Drive, and then I can say My Drive, and then I can say let's see, it's collab space note book, and if I add this information here, ta-da, let's go have a peek here. I'm going to drop down my drive, and if I were to drill in, you would see this file. Let's test it by, again, we're going to get this, but we'll get it in read mode instead. And all I want to do, essentially, we're just going to print out the result of reading the file in this case. So let's execute this. It all works. Honestly, Google has done some great work to make this very easy, very straightforward. I hope this helps you as you're learning Python up in the cloud in the Colaboratory notebooks. They are a fantastic resource for learning. I'll see you later. Bye.